your go-to destination for everything outside the house. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at your front yard or backyard walkway and felt like it was missing that wow factor? A path shouldn't just be a way to get from point A to point B. It should be a stunning design feature that elevates your entire property. Today we are diving into the world of modern concrete paver walkways. We'll show you how to trade those outdated, cracked concrete slabs for sleek, contemporary designs that will make your neighbors stop and stare. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a modern concrete paver walkway? Unlike traditional poured concrete or old-fashioned brick paths, modern concrete pavers are individual, precast blocks that come in clean lines, oversized geometric shapes, and sophisticated neutral tones like charcoal, slate, and crisp gray. Choosing modern concrete pavers is one of the smartest investments you can make for your home's exterior. First, they offer unmatched durability and flexibility. Because they are individual units, they won't crack with ground movement like standard poured concrete. Second, the design versatility is endless. You can opt for oversized stepping stones separated by lush green grass, tight-jointed linear patterns for a seamless minimalist look, or striking gravel borders that add rich texture. They combine high-end luxury aesthetics with low-maintenance practicality, giving your home an instant architectural upgrade. It's a walkway that tends to grace homes that are done in modern or contemporary styles. Each paving slab or paver is made of unadorned concrete, either precast or cast in place. The concrete paver is usually rectangular and is sometimes square. You can save money on concrete pavers because, unlike natural stone walks, style is achieved by placement and context. In other words, the material itself isn't the draw. The way the material is presented is of greatest visual interest. Let's check out these 10 modern concrete paver walkways that emphasize large, wide, and oversized pavers ideas. One. Concrete paver walkway set in decorative stone. Large modern concrete pathway. This is a popular concrete paver look. 4 giant rectangular concrete slabs surrounded by gray decorative rock. It's an attractive look and one that works well with the concrete wall, natural wood gate, and xeriscaping. It can be difficult to keep all of that decorative rock free of leaves and other organic materials. Mulch glue helps to bind the rocks and limit movement, as well as making it easier to sweep off leaves. Mulch glue needs to be reapplied about once a year. True to the name, mulch glue works just as well for mulch. 2. Elevated precast concrete slab walkway. Elevated concrete pavers. Concrete pavers don't always need to be embedded in grass or resting in rock. Sometimes the paver levitates above that grass or rock or above sand, dirt, ground cover, pebbles, or even other concrete. Color-tinted precast concrete pavers provide an elevated walkway to the house. 3. Rain glossy concrete front square walkway. Glossy concrete front walkway modern style. A simple but effective modern concrete walkway, constructed by pros but one that you can duplicate for your own home. 18 to 20 square pavers resting in a bed of landscape rock. From Tierra Landscape LC, a West Seattle-based company, this design works not just from an aesthetic standpoint, but functionally too, as the tight spacing means that no one has to leap from paver to paver like a frog. It's even wheelchair accessible. Also, this is a walkway that you can duplicate with either the smooth-faced or aggregate-faced 16-inch concrete pavers found at your local big box hardware store. 4. Concrete walkway partial grass and rock. Modern concrete walkway partial grass and rock. This novel, fascinating walkway in the back of a Denver home straddles 2 worlds. The verdant, lush, organic world of plush lawn, along with the stark, gray, inorganic world of landscape stone. It's a startlingly brilliant way to pull these 2 disparate zones together. This idea comes from Mile High Landscaping LC, a Denver-based landscaping company. 5. Modern precast concrete walkway design. drought-resistant modern precast concrete walkway design. Rebecca Gonzalez of mid-century modern remodels strikes again, but this time it's her own house. Kat Annie relaxes on the drought-resistant landscaping which edges the precast concrete paver walkway. This paver within stone look, often accompanied by succulents, is a classic look. Note too how Gonzalez staggers the pavers to avoid a rigid look. Smooth river stones are the perfect contrast with the rigid lines of the pavers. 6. Simple modern concrete walkway. Simple concrete walkway with grass. This concrete paver walkway from Maite Granda is the most pared-down and simple version of all other walkways shown here. It graces the front of a mid-century modern home and ensures the focus stays on the gorgeous architecture. 7. Concrete pavers across a lawn. Large concrete pavers in lawn. These types of concrete walkway pavers work well for any mid-century modern home. The pavers continue the look of the house's flat and wide architecture, so they look like they truly belong there. Any type of stepping stone walkway, whether natural or concrete, can be difficult to mow around. A string trimmer or weed whacker is your best friend with this type of walkway. The trimmer easily edges around the stepping stones. 8. Square concrete walkway pavers. Square concrete walkway pavers. Square concrete pavers form a modest pathway through the gateway of this house. Mulch surrounds the pavers. Always lay pavers in sand, but mulch works well as a border. 9. Oversized concrete walkway pavers. Giant concrete walkway pavers. Concrete pavers don't get much larger than these giant pavers that lead up to this modern house. These pavers are so large that they would need to be cast in place. Giant pavers are a permanent feature of the property. 10. Wide concrete pavers at a modern house. Wide concrete pavers at modern house. Wide concrete walkway pavers are available at many of the larger home centers. Place the pavers in coarse paving sand for a solid fit. Continue the pavers in a straight line or slightly stagger them for greater visual effect. Wide concrete pavers work with most modern or contemporary home styles. Upgrading your walkway is one of the fastest ways to transform your home's exterior from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you prefer the clean lines of large-format minimalist slabs or the high-contrast look of dark pavers nestled in white river rocks, modern concrete pavers offer something for every style. They prove that functionality doesn't mean you have to sacrifice beautiful design. If you loved these modern walkway ideas and are ready to tackle your own outdoor upgrade, make sure to hit that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Home's Decor Designs and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our daily inspiration for your home's exterior. Drop a comment below and let us know, which of these paver designs was your absolute favorite? See you in the next video.